Welcome back to this special presentation of the small caps. We've been hearing from some of the companies who presented at this year's Micro Equities Conference in Sydney. One of the companies punching well above its weight at the lower end of the market is Silver Chef, a hospitality equipment finance provider. It listed on the ASX in 2005 and boasts an average growth rate over the past 4 years of 50% per annum. Lisa Crefeld spoke with Silver Chef's new CEO, Charles Gregory, and asked how the global financial crisis impacted business.
We find in the sector that we fund into, the GFC has meant that traditional funders have exited funding small business, and that's created an opportunity for Silver Chef Limited to continue the strong growth that it's had over the last 5 years.
Has the tight credit environment seen a shift towards rentals?
Certainly it's a flexible option that small business values. It gives them the flexibility to know that if in the current economic environment their business is unsuccessful, they have opportunity to return the asset.
What about as credit continues to free up? Is there a concern that there could be a shift away from rentals into buying and a subsequent hit to your revenue?
We don't think the traditional finance options are well suited to small business at all. Even if the credit market does open up, small business needs flexibility in their equipment funding options, and rental allows the small business owner to make sure they get the right equipment, if necessary change it 1 or 2 years down the track after opening, to get the equipment that suits their business.
GoGetter represents 14% of your asset pool. That's a significant growth in just 2 years. Has its growth surprised you?
It's been rewarding to see the GoGetter growth, and importantly it's in sectors that are less risky than the hospitality sector. So we're using the same robust model, but in the GoGetter sectors. The growth hasn't surprised us. Indeed, we think there's opportunity for significant growth in GoGetter, although we manage that carefully in our business, maintaining our strong position in the hospitality industry.
How crucial is the diversity in revenue that GoGetter brings you?
I think it'll be important in the future. At the moment, certainly the majority of our business is hospitality based. It does give us the opportunity to grow our model over a diverse range of sectors. The risk factor as such is probably fairly consistent if one considers it small to medium business owners, owner-operators looking for equipment to operate their business. So the diversity in terms of the other sectors, it's good for us that they're less risky, but the reality is that we've got the robust model that we're going to apply in GoGetter is the same one we used in hospitality.
So is its rental model something that you're looking to roll out?
Certainly. We've obviously grown it significantly in hospitality, although we recognise we've got a very small market share and there's opportunity to grow there. Within the GoGetter sectors, we have an infinite number of sectors really that we could use GoGetter in, and particularly where we find our ideal clients, small to medium business operators, who probably don't have enough access to traditional financing.
Your share price has outperformed the general market quite substantially. It soared in February. Has that surprised you? Again,
it's very pleasing to see. It hasn't been a surprise as such. It's based on 5 years strong growth, strong compound growth in the business. And I suppose what we've done in the recent times is got out more and told the investor community the Silver Chef story. And I think a combination of both of those factors is what's contributing to an increasing share price, but also maintaining a good level through the uncertain market at the moment.
You upgraded full year 2010 earnings per share guidance. Are you still on track for that? What's the outlook?
Yes, we're on track. We're maintaining our 28 cents EPS guidance, and we're on track to deliver that to our shareholders.